This is new.
Wow. All right, we are here at 100 North Tampa in downtown Tampa, and these elevators have just gotten new cabs.
And fixtures, because those are new.
No, the fixtures are the same as they were in 2018.
Oh, okay, because like when they had traditional in.
I don't think they had traditional. I don't believe so. Bank of America has traditional.
Oh, okay, this is something else. I thought it was like talking about.
Yeah,
the other
both
one.
have similar elevators, but there's a few subtle differences between the two.
Yeah.
41. Hit lobby.
RH.
Alright. We don't want to get off of this floor. I remembered I got busted here a while back. Yeah, these cabs are. Yeah, these cabs are brand spanking new.
Never stopping.
Look at this cab.
Hello.
Looks very nice. Wow. Lobby. All right. Want to do one more ride?
Yeah.
We'll do 40 this time.
Actually,
Okay.
I can always do it. Consent, okay.
These were installed in 1992 by Montgomery. They had custom EPCO fixtures, and they were modernized in 2018 by Thyssenkrupp. This is a nice mod, but in my opinion, it was unnecessary. Going up to 40, as you can see on the destination indicator. Starting to make a bunch of noises.
Yeah, he
Hopefully
does
you
front-facing cameras.
Wants to be the next
Justin hates
install.
those.
40?
I'll go hit the down for one.
Yeah.
Here, pardon me.
Yep, there we go. Perfect.
These new cabs look very nice. I will miss the originals, though.
Before we're going for the handicap button on these.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that just happened. I was reading about it on the news.
Huh. Yeah.
America.
Yep. Very America, for sure.
And in Tennessee, they're private schools down. Alright, yeah, let's get our cabs.
Yeah. And here we are. Tallest building in Tampa.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
And we'll get off here. As you can see, the lobby is being pretty heavily renovated. Well, there it goes. And that'll be it.